Well, basically, previously, before joining Juice Academy, I'd done an apprenticeship route before, and it was something that I really enjoyed. The support that I got, the hands-on learning that I gained through that apprenticeship, it really appealed to me. And then when I went away from the apprenticeship and just did a retail job, I really missed that element of progressing through an apprenticeship. So the ongoing learning, the on-the-job experience, and so that's when I found the Juice Academy. And from there, it's been absolutely amazing, the process, the whole journey, working with yourself, obviously, and the Juice Academy tutors. So it's been a really fantastic experience for me. Yeah, cool. So I started in retail. Well, I was working in retail for 4 years. After COVID hit, I got made redundant, and so I was in a position where I was kind of excited for the opportunities that I could do, because I've always wanted to go back into learning, to kind of pursue that career goal that I wanted to go down initially. And so COVID offered me an opportunity to do this, and so I ended up doing different courses to improve, upskill myself and improve my skill set. And then from there, that's when I found the Juice Academy, and that's where I applied. I applied for a few of the roles, and then I eventually got a role with Venture Motion. And from there, it's been really exciting. I've worked on loads of many projects, like in animation, videography, photography, and now I'm in a position where I'm able to kind of pass on that experience to another apprentice. So I'm very excited about that. Well, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say 10. 10 because the support from Apprentify throughout the whole journey, especially with having you as my mentor, you provided me with so much help and support. I know, like you said, once when I first started, I struggled a lot with managing my time and completing my bud tasks. But then, as I got on, you helped me a lot to kind of manage my priorities, and now I'm in a position where I'm managing projects and using that skill that I learned from yourself at Apprentify to grow within my role. Fantastic. Again, like I said, being able to reach out to you and Apprentify in general, it really helped, because there was times when I'd fall behind on some work, and you would help me to move things around and really structure the bud learning task around my work schedule. I know that there were times when I was staying up quite late in the evenings to do my bud tasks, and you helped me to prioritize and make sure that I wasn't staying up too late, because I wanted to give 100% to Apprentify, 100% to my work role. And you helped me manage that, so I'm really appreciative of that. Yeah, so I'm now full-time at the company that I work for. We've also introduced another apprentice, so I'm helping them in their journey, so I'm really happy with that. And what was my weakness initially when I first joined the apprenticeship has now become one of my strengths, so I'm now a digital project coordinator. So I've stepped away from the content a little bit, but now I'm really enjoying being able to manage deadlines, being able to talk with clients, understand their briefs, and again, being able to guide the apprentice as well whilst I'm doing all this. So I'm very excited to see where it goes. So on the interim right now, it's growing with the business. There is a progression ladder that I'm working towards, but I think in the long-term goals, I'd probably say I'd like to run my own agency or creative studio one day. So those are that's somewhere in the future, hopefully. But I feel like the way that I'm progressing now with where I'm at, I think I'm on the way there. So yeah, I'm excited. Oh, I'd definitely say absolutely supportive, very flexible as well. How many words? 4. Have you? Okay. And I'd also say that they want you to be your best. So I'd say achieve your best basically, and that's something that Apprentify do really well. So very happy with it.